Off-road racing, especially in the deserts, it's brutal. It's brutal terrain. We're in the middle of nowhere.
It's a 1,000-mile race where you got 1,000 miles of everything.
Through ditches that are 4, 5, 6 foot deep, over rocky terrain, through sand washes. The trucks are in the middle of nowhere for 90% of the race.
We are here in Barstow, California. This is our big test before the Baja 400. Our race trucks all have new Starlink technology on them. We're running multiple tests. One, we are actually trying different orientations on the dish. We have a new performance dish, so today will be the first day he's driving on it. Today's exciting.
What's been really neat is we now have Starlinks on our vehicle, which help us with live feed or information on where we are. We can communicate with the team, telling them we have problems. You know, information is key with this type of racing.
7 days down Baja, we're in the middle of nowhere, but we're connected. The communication is absolutely spotless. It really has brought that safety level up, and it's really changed the sport. And as a father, most importantly, I got my boys out there racing, and it gives you a big relief that, you know, somebody's looking over the top.
We were putting them on the helicopters before we even put them on the trucks. So once we realized that it worked on the helicopter, we're like, oh, well, I guess we could start mounting these to the trucks. And
no one's ever tried it in off-road racing before. And surprisingly enough, everything kind of fell in and it worked out of the box.
we had rain, we had mud, in a truck that's doing 150 miles an hour, in the dirt, in bumps, hitting several Gs, and it just works. We have a lot of trust in this, and it's essential to what we're doing to win races, but also be safe.
It's almost like your tires. You need spare tires to go to a race event. You have to have Starlink. All the trophy truck team has Starlink fitted on board.
Now we have Wi-Fi with us everywhere. You know, we can share our stories with our friends, our family, our sponsors, our fans. You know, now that we can broadcast live video, people can watch our race. It's so cool that it brings the sport to everyone.
We set the bar really high, and the goal is to really change and push the sport.
They see the live action from the helicopter down to the truck and see passing and going back and forth. People are watching this now. It's truly grown this sport. So the Starlink has opened up that world.